Planning for run-to-failure maintenance. Just because run-to-failure may be your desired maintenance strategy for a piece of equipment, this does not change the amount of planning that should be done for its future maintenance. Without planning, your run-to-failure strategy is just unplanned and reactive maintenance. Just as you plan for scheduled maintenance, you should also plan for run-to-failure maintenance. You should know who will be responsible for the work, what parts they need, and the tasks they need to do to ensure the job is done accurately and efficiently. The only difference between planned scheduled maintenance and planned run-to-failure maintenance should be your knowledge about when the maintenance is going to happen. If you don't plan, you will need to drop everything else you are doing when failure happens, and then attempt to solve the problem. With planning, you simply execute your plan.